Are you looking for the best Bluetooth speaker? In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best Bluetooth speakers on the market right now, carefully selected for sound quality, battery life, portability, durability, and value for money. Before we get started, we've included product links in the description, so make sure you check them out to find the one that fits your budget and needs perfectly. Let's jump right in and find your perfect Bluetooth speaker. Number 1. Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd Gen Bluetooth Speaker. After using the Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd Gen for daily listening, I can clearly say it delivers premium sound in a very compact design. I used it at home, outdoors, and during travel, and it consistently gave me rich, clear audio that feels much bigger than its small size. The first thing I noticed was the sound quality. Bose has done a great job balancing bass and clarity. The audio feels clean, and the bass is deep without overpowering the vocals. Whether I played music indoors or outside, the sound stayed full and consistent. It easily fills a small room and still performs well in open spaces. Portability is another strong point. The speaker is small enough to hold in one hand, and it fits easily in a bag. The built-in utility loop also makes it easy to hang on a backpack, which I found useful during travel and outdoor activities. It feels solid and durable in the hand. The build quality is excellent. It has an IP67 rating, which means it is fully waterproof and dustproof. I tested it in different outdoor conditions, and it handled everything without any issue. The silicone body also gives it a rugged feel, so I did not worry about drops or bumps. Battery life is reliable as well. I got up to around 12 hours of playback depending on volume levels. It was enough for a full day of use without needing frequent charging. The USB-C charging also makes it convenient and fast. Pros. Excellent hi-fi sound with deep bass. Very portable and lightweight design. Strong waterproof and dustproof protection, IP67. Durable build quality. Good 12-hour battery life. Easy Bluetooth connectivity with stable range. Cons. Premium price compared to basic speakers. No advanced EQ customization built in. Number 2. 20W Portable Bluetooth Speaker. After using this 20W portable Bluetooth speaker for daily music and outdoor activities, I can say it delivers strong performance for its price. I tested it at home, during small gatherings, and outdoors, and it consistently provided loud, clear, and enjoyable sound. The first thing I noticed was the sound output. The dual drivers produce a powerful 20W sound that feels full and energetic. The bass is noticeable without overwhelming the vocals, and the overall balance is good for both music and movies. When I paired two speakers using TWS mode, the stereo effect became even more immersive and suitable for small parties. Portability is another strong advantage. The speaker has a compact design that makes it easy to carry for travel, camping, or beach trips. Despite its small size, it feels solid and durable in the hand. I had no issue packing it in a bag and taking it anywhere I needed music. The build quality is also impressive. With an IPX5 waterproof rating, I felt comfortable using it outdoors without worrying about splashes or light rain. It handled poolside and outdoor environments without any problems. The LED light feature adds a fun touch, especially during night use or small gatherings. Battery life is one of its best features. I got long playback time that lasted most of the day depending on volume and lighting settings. The Bluetooth 5.3 connection was stable and maintained a strong range without frequent drops. Pros. Loud and clear 20W sound output. Strong bass with balanced audio. IPX5 water-resistant design. Long battery life, up to 24 hours claimed. TWS stereo pairing support. Portable and travel-friendly design. Fun LED lighting effects. Cons. Bass is good but not deep like premium speakers. LED lights reduce battery life when used. Number 3. JBL Charge 5 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. After using the JBL Charge 5 for several weeks, I can confidently say it delivers one of the most powerful and balanced sound experiences in its category. I tested it at home, outdoors, and during small gatherings, and it consistently produced loud, clear, and rich audio. The first thing I noticed was the sound quality. The 40W output is strong and fills up spaces easily. The bass is deep and punchy without overpowering the vocals, and the overall clarity is excellent. Whether I played music, podcasts, or videos, the sound always felt full and premium. It also supports a wide frequency range, which helps deliver a more detailed listening experience. Portability is another strong point. Even though it is more powerful than smaller speakers, it is still easy to carry. I took it on trips and outdoor activities without any hassle. The build feels solid and durable, and it has a premium design that gives confidence when using it outside. Battery life is impressive as well. I got long hours of continuous playback that easily lasted through a full day of use. The built-in 7,500 mAh battery also works as a power bank, which allowed me to charge my phone when needed. This extra feature made it even more useful during travel. The speaker is fully waterproof and dustproof, so I used it near water and outdoors without worry. It handled splashes in rough environments very well. Bluetooth connectivity was stable, and pairing was quick with my devices. Pros: powerful 40W loud and clear sound. Deep bass with balanced audio quality. Long battery life with power bank feature. Waterproof and dustproof design. Strong and durable build quality. Stable Bluetooth connection. Cons: slightly heavier than smaller portable speakers. Premium price compared to basic models. Number 4. Ortizan Portable Bluetooth Speaker. After using the Ortizan Portable Bluetooth Speaker, 1st Gen, for music, movies, and outdoor activities, I can say it delivers strong performance for its price. I tested it at home, during small gatherings, and outside, and it consistently provided loud, clear, and enjoyable sound. The first thing I noticed was the sound quality. The 24W output with dual drivers produces a rich and balanced audio experience. The treble is clear, the mids are detailed, and the bass feels strong thanks to the passive radiators. When I paired two speakers using the TWS feature, the stereo effect became much wider and more immersive, especially for movies and parties. The design is compact but powerful. I could easily carry it in one hand or in a bag, which made it convenient for travel, beach trips, and outdoor use. Despite its small size, the speaker feels solid and durable, which gives confidence when using it outside. One of the biggest highlights is the battery life. I got very long playback time that lasted up to a full day of use depending on volume and lighting settings. The IPX7 waterproof rating also made it safe to use near water, including at the beach and during light rain. I never had to worry about accidental splashes. The RGB light feature adds a fun party vibe. I used it mostly at night, and the lights synced nicely with music, creating a lively atmosphere. Bluetooth 5.3 connection was stable, and pairing was quick and reliable with my phone and laptop. Pros: powerful 24W stereo sound with strong bass. IPX7 waterproof and durable build. Long battery life, up to 30 hours claimed. TWS pairing for stereo sound. Portable and travel-friendly design. RGB lighting for party atmosphere. Cons: bass is good but not as deep as premium speakers. Lights reduce battery life when used continuously. Number 5. Anker Soundcore 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. I have been using the Anker Soundcore 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker for a while, and it has proven to be a reliable and easy-to-use speaker for daily listening, travel, and outdoor use. It is small, but it delivers a surprisingly strong performance for its size. The first thing I noticed was the sound quality. The 12W stereo output is clean and balanced. I get clear vocals, decent mids, and solid bass for a compact speaker. When I turned on the bass up feature, the low end became noticeably stronger, especially with hip-hop and EDM tracks. It does not match large premium speakers, but it performs very well in its category. The build quality feels solid and practical. I like the simple design because it makes the speaker easy to carry and use. I can easily slip it into a bag or hold it in one hand. It feels durable enough for outdoor use, and I have no worries about carrying it while traveling. Battery life is one of its strongest points. I consistently get close to a full day of playback, which matches the 24-hour claim in normal volume use. This makes it perfect for long trips, camping, or all-day outdoor activities without needing to recharge. The IPX7 waterproof rating also gives me confidence. I have used it near water and in light rain without any issues. It continues working smoothly even in wet environments, which makes it ideal for beach trips and outdoor gatherings. Bluetooth 5.0 connection is stable and quick. I had no major drops or pairing issues. It stays connected within a good range, even when I move around the room or outdoor area. Pros. Clear and balanced stereo sound. Strong bass-up enhancement. Excellent 24-hour battery life. Fully waterproof, IPX7 rating. Compact and travel-friendly design. Stable Bluetooth connection. Cons. Bass is good but not very deep at high volume. No advanced features like lighting or EQ customization.